Assalamu alaikum fam, hope you're doing well. The dumplings are done. They look absolutely fantastic. Thank Allah for everything. It was a labor of love, wasn't easy. You have to make the dough, roll out the dough, create the stuffing, roll them, stuff them, pinch them, cook them, and now I have made a soy rice vinegar dipping sauce with sesame seeds and chili flakes. And then I made a spicy sriracha mayonnaise dipping sauce as well with lime, and it's going to be good, God willing. Hopefully you can also try to expand your culinary skills. I'm definitely practicing more and more with Asian food, and these are usually things you would get frozen and they cook it when you order it, but now that I know how to do it myself, I'm very thankful for that. And my little one knew that I wanted to make dumplings. She kept asking me to make dumplings and pot stickers and all this kind of stuff. So, alhamdulillah, we found a cookbook today at the book fair that she spotted, and we got it. And what's cool about it is it's like a comic. It's like cartoon cookbook, but like the way the pictures are drawn is almost like a comic book, and that was actually pretty cool. So, wow, I was just super impressed because the recipes were very straightforward, very easy, and bam, this is labor of love. So, hope you're having a great day. Try to expand your skills, cook for your family. It's so worth it.